My farm is full of funny animals. Tap on the animals to see what they do, or tap on any of the colorful buttons to help me on my farm. For your help, I'll give you stickers so that you can build your own farm. Pig. This is my pig. What does a pig say? My pig says, oink, oink, all day long. My pig loves to wallow in mud. See? Ooh, my pig got so dirty. Can you help me wash it? Grab the sponge and wash my pig. Perfect! My pig is clean again. Yay, you got a new sticker. Drag your stickers onto the screen to build your farm. You don't have this sticker yet. Help Farmer Annie to earn more stickers. Let's start playing. Choose the game you want to play by tapping on any of the colorful buttons. Meow. Cow. This is my cow. Do you know what a cow says? A cow says moo, moo. The cow got very hungry. Can you feed it? Well done! The cow's not hungry anymore. I can milk the cow now. Let's make a milkshake. My grandma came up with a special recipe for the milkshake. Drag the ingredients to the right side to prepare ingredients we need for the milkshake according to my grandma's recipe. 1 plum. 2 plums. 1 apple. 2 apples. 3 apples. 1 banana. 2 bananas. 3 bananas. 4 bananas. 1 pear. 2 pears. 3 pears. 4 pears. 5 pears. 1 chocolate. Great work! I can put all the ingredients to my blender now. Tap on the button to start the blender. Yay! We have a shake now! I can pour you a glass. Drink the shake by tapping on the glass. That was yummy,